Hey everyone, Chef Tovia here. Today from Little Sugary Sweet and Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review on the Veweet series Besley. So I'm going to go ahead and do this unboxing. So I'm going to show you everything that it comes with. So I have the black and white, or it's Ivory white black line set, and this is a 30-piece set. So it comes with several things. So it comes with 6 3.15-inch mugs. It comes with 6 9.92-inch dinner plates. I love the dinner plates. Now I did remove some of these from the box already because I wanted to test them, before I did a full unboxing. So these are the dinner plates. So I'm going to just pull those out. It comes with 6 7.4-inch salad plates. And I love these. These are amazing. So these are the salad plates. And it also comes with 6 5.75-inch saucers. Let's pull one up now. These are so, I just love them. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox all of these and give you guys a better close-up and tell you more about these dishes. I also want to mention that I'm not being paid for this review, so I'm giving my personal opinion about this particular set of dishes. These are made from fine porcelain. They're eco-friendly, they're high temperature safe, as well as dishwasher safe. In the beginning of the video, as you saw, the box is already open. I pulled out some dishes beforehand, and I ran them through the dishwasher just to see how well they would do. So I ran one of the salad bowls through, and it's retained its color completely. Plate that I ran through. The plate that I ran through the dishwasher, it's retained its color. There's no bubbling or anything like that. And I ran a couple of the mugs through. But these are beautiful. Look at the close-up of the detail of the mugs. I just love that. The saucers, I love the white lines on the saucers. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the shape. That's so cute on with the saucer. So cute. The bowls, I love the fact that the bowls are fluted. So it's absolutely fantastic. So I did use the dishes a couple of times to serve them. The presentation is beautiful. You'll see some of the pictures that'll pop up here on the screen. So overall I love the Veweet series of dishes that I have so far. I love that they really photograph well for food photography. I love that they really hold the food temperature, especially if you heat your place beforehand and then serve your food on top. They really hold the temperature very well. And I like the fact that you have these small coffee cups, tea cups. These are typically used for tea mainly, but for both. But I just love everything about this series. The plates, they feel nice and sturdy. They're heavy, but they're not super heavy. Like a super, like an upscale stoneware. It's not as heavy as that, which really is great. So I like these dishes very much. I hope you guys try these dishes. I really encourage you to make the purchase. Thank you so much for watching.